How to get the highest video resolution in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys the camera setting for your iPhone by which you'll get the highest video resolution. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So to do this, first what you'll need to do is open up your camera app. After you open up your camera app, what you can then do is switch to video mode. After you do that, here you will find the resolution option. So on the top, you'll find HD option. Tap on HD and it'll change to 4K. If you tap on it again, it'll change back to HD. We'll just keep it at 4K. Then there you'll find 3060, that is the frame rate. You can simply change it and make sure you choose whichever ones that fits you the most. If you use 24, you'll get the most cinematic look, while for smoother and faster action you can just choose 30 or 60. After that, you're basically good to go. You can start clicking your video, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.